Hola cabeza de chorlito. Las aves han inspirado un sinnúmero de expresiones, frases, refranes que encierran algún tipo de sabiduría o aprovechan un poco el sentido del humor. En este video les voy a compartir mis expresiones favoritas en inglés relacionadas con nuestros amigos emplumados. Muchas de estas frases las vas a poder ocupar en turismo, con tus clientes o simplemente si te gustan los idiomas. En este video voy a explicar muchas cosas en inglés, pero también, cuando sea posible, daré el equivalente en español. Así que ahora tengo que cambiar el canal. A ver. Bonjour, bonjour. Buongiorno. Hello, hello. Perfect. Number 1. Early bird catches a worm. Y en español, a quien madruga, Dios lo ayuda. 5 more minutes. This refers to the benefits of getting earlier than others and avoiding procrastination. Wait. What is procrastination? Oh, don't worry, I'll tell you later. This comes from the belief that all birds wake up early in the morning. Yeah, I have one that starts singing at 4:30 a.m. every morning. But remember that not all species have the same timetable. For example, raptors, they get more active later in the day, let's say around noon. So here's how you can use it. Tomorrow we're waking up at 5 a.m. and we're going to see the plover. Oh my God. Why? Why do you hate me? Why that early? Well, because early bird catches a worm. Number 2. As happy as a lark. Yeah. Y en español sería feliz como una perdiz. This comes from the fact that larks are considered very cheerful, happy birds, and are often considered the symbol of happiness and joy. And here's how you can use it. Learning the scientific names of birds makes me as happy as a lark. You're a very weird man. Number 3. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Y en español, más vale pájaro en mano que 100 volando. Meaning things that you already have are probably more valuable than the ones you hope to get. Number 4. Birds of the same feather flock together. Y en español sería Dios los cría y ellos se juntan. Well, birds of the same feather do flock together. However, in the forest, it's possible to see mixed flocks where every species concentrates on a different area of the tree to avoid competition. Or if you think of shorebirds, when they are all flocked together, it looks like they are all the same. But if you get a closer view, you will notice that maybe there is someone different in the flock. Oh, I know. So it's like the X-Men, they have different superpowers and they all get together. Okay. Yeah, that works. Number 5. Don't count your chicken before they have hatched. En español, no cantes victoria antes de llegar a la meta. O, en la puerta del horno se quema el pan. Did you know that about 50% and more of the nests of songbirds in the forest are lost to predators? Number 6. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Y en español, no pongas todos tus huevos en una sola canasta. There are many species that lay their eggs on somebody else's nest. What? Yep, these are called brood parasites. And the cuckoo is one of the most famous ones. They lay their eggs on several different nests. Because if 2 cuckoos are born in the same nest, their instinct will force them to fight each other to the death. So if the mother lays only 1 cuckoo egg per nest, it maximizes the survival rate of each baby cuckoo. Because the cuckoo, when they are hatched, they get rid of all the other eggs and all the other siblings. Oh my god, they are the worst siblings ever. Well, that's all for this episode of Cabeza de Chorlito. I hope these expressions add a little bit of humor when you speak English. I would like to say hello to all the local guides. Tell me in the comments below if there's any topic you would like me to cover in the future. Don't forget to share this video. And look for me on the other social network, Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to support this project of Cabeza de Chorlito, don't forget to subscribe.